Take a quick look at these three Saabs I found at the auction. We're going to start off with this gorgeous 1992 Saab 900 Turbo, which looks like a Saab 900 Carlsson, but it's not. It's had around £6,700 spent on it, which included a Carlsson body kit, giving it the front bumpers, the bigger wheel arches, the alloy wheels, the side skirts. And if I remember correctly, the Carlsson should have leather, and obviously this has the velour seats. It's even received the APC Red Box upgrade, which now means that this car produces around 185 brake horsepower, which is the same as an original Saab 900 Carlsson. Let's take in the view from the rear. I think it looks absolutely fabulous. Apparently, because of the big rear spoiler, the boot struts aren't strong enough to hold the boot up, but I think that is a price I would pay for that rear spoiler. Just look at it. Saabs, when maintained well, can clock up a lot of miles, and this car has travelled 253,820 miles and has only had 3 former keepers. This car in 2012 was recorded as a Category D total loss. And do you want to know how much this 1992 Saab 900 Turbo 16V sold for at the auction? Well, it sold for £5,832. These next two Saabs are definitely something for the hot weather. Take a quick look at this 1993 Saab 900 Convertible. Power comes from a 2-litre 16-valve petrol engine. Now this car is not perfect, I'll just show you inside. The auction description says that the previous owner drove this car 115 miles to the auction, and it's done a 520-mile round trip in 2018 for his 60th birthday. The mileage is showing 74,634 miles. However, the auction description reads that the service book suggests that the indicated figure was 85,112 miles back in 2000. It's had 4 former keepers and comes with service history as well. Looking around this car, I would say it just needs some tidying up, to be fair. Here's another quick look at the interior, this time from the passenger side. And some more little rust blemishes coming through in the bonnet here. Do you want to know how much this Saab 900 Convertible sold for at the auction? Well, it sold for £2,808. Take a quick look at this 2002 Saab 93 SE Convertible. The mileage is showing around 89,600 miles. Let's have a quick look at the interior. It's also got carbon fibre trim around the air vents and what have you. I don't know if that was a factory fitted item. The auction description reads that this car is recorded on VCar as a Category N insurance loss because of vandalism to its convertible roof, which has been replaced. It does look really nice on the eye. So you've got the blue paintwork with the blue roof. I'll just show you the interior from the driver's side. There you go, you can see the carbon fibre effect around the dash binnacle, and you've got, is that black or grey charcoal leather seats? Do you want to know how much this 2002 Saab 93 SE Convertible sold for at the auction? Well, it sold for £1,660. Remember to like and subscribe and click this video here for more auction results.